Hello everyone and welcome to this video. My name is Ms. Hoda and I teach Java programming. In this video we will talk about methods, how to write and call methods. Let's assume that we need to write a method that takes a number and decides if it is even or not. So first we start by writing the method. The method's name is even. It takes a number and returns a boolean to check if it is even number or not. So the first thing we write public static and then boolean is even, and then we write int x, for example. Here we just wrote the method head, so this is called the head of the method. First, the visibility, we will keep it as public. Then we write static, and we will know later what this static means. This is the return type of the method, so the method should return a boolean whether it's true or not. And then this is the name of the method. Between parentheses we write the input to this method. So this method is expecting this input and is returning an output of this type. So first of all we need to check if the input number is even or not. So let's declare a boolean. Let's call it b, and initially it's all equal to false. And then we will make b is equal to what? To x modulus 2. X modulus 2 will give you a number. If x is an even number, x modulus 2 will be 0. And if x is an odd number, x modulus 2 will give you 1. So we will test if x modulus 2 is equal to 0. This means that this number is even. So the remainder after dividing x by 2, if the remainder is equal to 0, then this will yield to true. So if this is true, true will be assigned to b, and the last step is to return b. So here we wrote, what did we write? We wrote the body of the method. We wrote the body of the method and we tested if this number is even, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so are we finished? No, not yet. So what should we do next? We should test, we should call that method. So first of all, we declare an integer number, int x is equal to 9. Then we call this number. We call this method is even, and we give it x. So we can say system.out is, and then x, and then even, and then the result would be is even x. So what did we do here? We printed is the number x that we just declared, is it even? And then we called the method is even and we gave it the number x. So the result here will be either true or false. So let's try and run it. Now it says is 9 even, and the result is false. Okay, let's try to assign x a different number and say x is equal to 20. And again, we do the same exact thing. So we copy and paste the same test. Is x even? And then is even x. So here, if we run again, x now has a different value, which is 20. Is 20 even? And the answer is true. And we got the answer because we changed the value of x to 20. So here we are testing the method by calling the method. And that concludes our video today.